Can we build a house, put bedrooms in, kitchen? Of course, that's what you want, and that's what most people say that they want, and they want a certain square footage. Custom homes can mean a lot of things. There's the word semi-custom, custom on your lot, but let's define it for us. Brandon Bryant, Alair Homes, Red Tree here, talking about a little bit beyond a parade house or any kind of custom house. How do we take it and to be that custom house? What do we mean by that definition? Truly, as a custom home builder, we're doing a few things. We've got standards, we've got practices that we want to do, and tried and true products, definitely for our climate, our region, our slopes. But really, how we really make a house, a home that's for our clients is a few things. We get to know them. How do you live in your house? Where do you come from? What's been your experiences? What are the things that you love doing first thing in the morning? Is that grabbing that cup of coffee and going out on that back deck? It's really about a customer experience, and maybe you're a big art collector, or maybe you're an artist and you have your own stuff that you need a studio to create your own product in. We then have questions that we need to be asking, that we build a home to highlight that, or to give you the opportunity to do that. And we don't do that without asking questions. And all those things really make a house being able to be custom. We have interior design in-house on purpose. That was by design. They are like the #1 advocate. Hey, this is where they came from. Here's been their past experiences. Here's their professions. Here's why they're moving here. Here's why they live here. Here's the number of kids they have. Here's who else is living in the house, or maybe who's visiting. And here's why we need to make this room do this, and this is the experience we need there. All these things are added up into that experience working with a custom home builder. So we do that, and we want to get to know you. We want to be able to go to dinner with you, talk to you in other settings. It's just not just sitting here talking about a house plan. It's really talking about you. And that's what differentiates us as a custom home builder from other custom home builders all across the US, is having that ability and intentionality, and just the learning through the 20 years of building. You really knew what I wanted, and you really understood what I wanted, and man, thank you for that. That's what you want from a custom home builder. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, primary on the main, with a kitchen and a living room. Yeah, I'm sure you want that, and that's what everybody wants. What we're really getting down to is, how does that operate? What does that look like? And what does it mean to you? Having interior design in-house is by design. Having this as part of our process through planning is by design. We're here in Western North Carolina building some of the most amazing high-performance homes there is. We would love to have a chat with you, even just be able to talk to you and give you advice if that's all that we can do for you. Trusted advisor, Brandon Bryant, thank you for giving us an opportunity.